How to change seats on Rex Airlines. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can change your seats on Rex Airlines. So how do you go about it? The first step is for you to log in into your Rex account, just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in and you're brought to your own page, okay, you can see the Rex logo by the top left corner. Next to it, you can see options like plan and book, manage bookings, ready to fly, loyalty programs, promotions, help, race creditor, etc. Then once you can see this, of course, the next step is for you to move to the session where you can see book flights, manage bookings, web check-in. So ensure you click on manage bookings. Then by clicking on manage bookings, you would be taken to the page where you can manage your booking, you can see your bookings and make necessary changes. So as you can see this, the next step would be for you to enter in your booking reference, your first name, your last name, and then you click on retrieve booking. When you click on retrieve booking, you would be taken automatically to the page where you'll be asked to select where the flight whose seat you would like to change will be displayed. So on the flight page, you'll see the options for you to edit your flight details, add baggage necessary, and then you see the select seat option. So ensure you select the selected option. By selecting the select seat option, you will then be taken to your seat map page where you can select your seats, all right, in the seat map. So you just use the seat map to select your preferred seat, review your selection, and confirm your new seat. Note that a fee may apply depending on your fare type and the seat availability. So once you're done, click on it and then make the necessary payments if needed, and then just like that, your seats would be changed. So thank you everyone for watching, and go ahead to change that seat now.